Assalamu alaikum. So here is another trending video for you. Come on, let's create these trending images for absolutely free using Bing. First, open your web browser and search for bing.com. Type image creator and select the first link. You can write your prompt here or you can reach the same page. Let's go back to bing.com. Click image, click on create button, and there you are. Write your prompt in this bar. Make sure you are logged in with your email ID. Your prompt can be as long as possible, but it should not be vague. Further, you have limited number of coins that you can use to generate images. So make sure to write properly. Once you complete your prompt, click on create button. Wait for a few seconds to see the magic. You did it. Let's change the prompt a bit and see the results. We are changing social media platform from YouTube to Instagram and few other changes. Let's click on create button. So your pictures are ready. To preview, click on the image. And from here you can click on download button to save your image. Thanks for watching.